Hello dear listeners and welcome to the first video in my channel 𝘼𝙡𝙦𝙬𝙧𝙧𝙧. I'm Bassem, English major, a bookworm and a history buff. I wanted to start my channel for several reasons, the first being quite tense to share my thoughts with people. I sincerely wanted to relieve some deep-seated pressure on my mind, and encouraged by the impressive work of the G podcast in the Algerian Black Pearl, I wanted to make my first appearance. There is no denying that there are great people here in Algeria, and in fact many are waiting for a chance to make their first step. The second reason is that after much contemplation on the rather ridiculous Algerian content on YouTube, I felt it's not only necessary but a must to make a far-reaching change by sharing ideas that would benefit our society as a whole. The third reason is, and as the proverb says, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I'm a firm believer in progress and making an impact, so I'm taking the initiative to share my thoughts and learn from you as well. Of course, my content is going to touch on a variety of fields like literature, history, psychology and productivity, so I guess it's going to be quite challenging. I hope everything will be relatable to Algerians and youth in particular. However, I would very much appreciate constructive feedback from your part, as I always seek to improve. This is pretty much it. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.